Again, this training, the humility to understand others and the clarity to express ourselves with truth and respect, and may the knowledge we gain build stronger relationships with our clients, our partners, and one another. Teach us to speak not just to win, but to build bridges. Teach us to value not only what we want, but what others need. Teach us to find the win-win in every situation as we uphold integrity, professionalism, and compassion.
Ang initiatives to really see on how yung discuss natin today may apply sa work or pwede natin itignan how or i-measure at least kung nag-improve ba yung relationship between people. So marami tayong actually strategies na pwedeng i-implement ng Paramount should there be a need. It is rather obvious that they are very much passionate about what they do. Yeah, they have the specific drive to succeed, and also ang pinaka-important na or pinaka-prominent na napapansin ko sa lahat ng tao sa Paramount, yung mandate ng serving other people. Because I think that's one of your mantras, people helping people. So parang very evident in each individual inside the organization yung pag-serve sa tao.
Things that we need to improve on. Number one, punctuality. I think all of us observed na kung paano tayo when it comes to coming in on time. It's very important because it shows our discipline. Ang dami-daming program para sa atin because here in Paramount, especially you guys, you're very much appreciated. And you also appreciate this effort of the management reaching out to each and every one of us para maging mas magaling, para maging mas dedicated, and para mas magkaroon ng better life.